Hey, Adonis. You right? You got the sniffles, huh? Do you have the sniffles? Oh no. Trying to clean your nose. Is your nose all good? Yeah, yeah, I help you. There. Did that fix it? All better now? Not quite? Yeah, a little nose. I was hoping to record her sneezing, but doesn't look like I'm gonna be able to. I think she's finally stopped, which is good.
Hey.
Fuck. Sorry, Adonis. Ah, there he goes. You right, little bud? You good? You right? You got the sniffles. Hey, gorgeous. Oh, thank you. Thank you for cleaning me. Can I help you? Oh, okay, thank you. Thank you. Oh, you're a big cuddle bum. Oh, you giving me a clean? I had a shower today, you goofball. I don't need a clean. Oh, thank you. Okay, that's enough. You clean yourself. You clean your nose. Okay? You clean your nose. There you go. There you go.